This is Dubious Code looking at Project Euler problem 7. So this is another prime one. First 6 primes up to 13, and the sixth one is 13. What is the 10,000th and first prime number? So in Project 3, we did some primes. So I made a little library that finds primes up to n. It also finds primes factors. I just need to have this library find up to a count instead of up to n. Find in primes. Let's see, while I equals 3, while ling primes is less than n, return primes. If n equals 0, return an empty list. Otherwise, I equals I plus equals 2. So this is the prime C we did for project 3. The only difference is now we're doing a count instead of up to a number. So let's say primes equals find primes dot find in primes. And we'll find first the sixth one. And see if we got this right. And this is why you like to save these things as libraries. Invalid syntax. I'm probably missing a semicolon, because it's way faster than doing this all again. And that's not the right one. CLS. I did this immediately after project 3 because I saw it was another primes. Pi Euler 7. Okay. The first 6 primes, exactly. So we should just get the answer is primes -1. Get the last one. Answer is 13, except we don't need 6. We need 10,001. Answer is 100,000 and change. Let's see if that's right. All right, easy problem because we already had our prime sieve. This is Dubious Code. Thanks for watching.